to my channel. So today's video is in partnership with Ashimary Hair. They sent me this gorgeous blonde unit to show you guys and install. I actually went in and dyed the roots just because I feel like it looks so much better on me when I have a dark root. So this unit is called the customized Peachy Champagne Blonde Highlight Wig with transparent lace. And this is, it's quite like a Barbie doll blonde. I did go in and tone the wig with a silver shampoo. It was a really cheap one from the hair supply store. It was like £3. And then the dye I went in with in the root was the Dark and Lovely Fade and Resist hair dye in the shade 401 Hazelnut Brown. Yeah, that's what I used. Obviously I got a wig, so this one comes up just like onto my ribs. To be fair, it's quite long. Specific lengths and details will be down below in the description box for you guys. It also came in a satin bag. I really like this blue colour. It's really, really nice. Satin bag to store it in. Also came with a matching headband, which you will see me using in the video, and you also get some complimentary gifts as well. So you get a wig cap and you get some lashes, so thank you so much for those. So yeah, as I said before, if you're interested in this wig and you want to just have a look at some of the wigs that they have on their site, all the details will be down below. I really hope you enjoy this video, guys. If you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned and enjoy. Love ya.
I'm working on me. They jealous how they lurking on me. I don't mind. My new girl's not too thirsty to ride. She's riding for me, ride or dying for me. Oh. Girl, you're the reason you're lonely tonight. But this is season to get back your life. This is your chance. I know you know the truth. Come take a chance. It's not that I know you know the truth. When you see it's like that it's not that I love you. I blame you. 5'5" of pure sexy. I see. Her bitch wanna be her and they wanna meet you. You get them bookings in my city. I see niggas looking in my city.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
By the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Yeah.
Losing 2-0, now it's 2-2.
Who are we listening to?
Get in there, can you see me?
Just not.
Get in there! Ah!
Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just stop doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In in the meantime.
Just stop doing what I want.
Need some me time.
Keep doing what you want.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself.
How's your aunt?
I'm calling on this. We hit the ground and it's cops for the jealous. We in the bag and we mud in the tear. And I'm with a bad bitch and I got it in the tear. Oh yeah. I was just like this vision, like live it all. She gets down just like live it all. Run the block, she did not hold it shot. That bitch bad, watch her blow her whole back. It's the way, like every time, like every hour and day, every single way when she gets away. Yeah, have fun, have fun. You know what that does? She gets away. I've been thinking about you all day, waking up the night. I think you deserve a night if you're my feeling too steep. I know all this dream, I got you on my spell. Just hurry up and say nobody. Stop fighting, stop falling in love tonight. It's in the air, don't fight it. I know you need somebody. I've been thinking about somebody, somebody, somebody. I know you need somebody, somebody.
Overtime, now here you are, John away like a person bad on my
I'm recording, Bobby. Who are we playing?
You get in there, mate! Get in there!
Get out of my
Oh
room.
my days!
Brothers.